warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Mitra Ramadhani, but you can call me Mitra. I'm from Padang State University, Faculty Tourism and Hospitality. I'm here to explain a little bit about the body measurements. Different type of body size are three parts. The first one is I will refer to each of the size, beginning with the circumference, neckline, baseline, waistline, hip line, armhole, and wrist. Next is width, shoulder line, across back, and across front. And the last one was length or height, back length, shirt length, hip length, sleeve length, dress length, and bust point. Okay everyone, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like and comment.